In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark invoices as paid in Xero. This process is an essential part of keeping your accounting records up to date, and fortunately, it's quite straightforward. Let's get started by heading to the Xero website. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Navigate to the Xero login page and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options from the top menu. Next, direct your attention to the Business tab. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Invoices. This is where all the invoices associated with your account are listed. The goal here is to find the specific invoice that you wish to mark as paid. Scroll through your list or use any available search functionalities to locate the invoice you need. Once you've found it, click on the invoice to open its details page. This page will provide you with a comprehensive view of the invoice, including who it's for, how much it is, and other pertinent information. Now, you're ready to record a payment for this invoice. Look for the Add Payment button, which is typically positioned either at the top or the bottom of the invoice page. Click this button to bring up the payment recording interface. Here, you'll be prompted to fill out several important details. Start with the date of payment. Make sure this aligns with when you actually received the money. Next, select the bank account where the payment was deposited. This helps ensure your records accurately reflect your financial transactions. Finally, enter the amount paid. This can be the full amount owed or a partial payment depending on what's been received. After you've entered all the necessary information, it's time to save the payment. Simply click on Add Payment once more. When you do this, the system will update the status of the invoice. If you entered the full amount, the invoice will be marked as paid. However, if only a portion of the total was recorded, expect the status to change to partially paid instead. Having this system of recording ensures accuracy and allows for easy tracking of pending and completed payments. So with these simple steps, you've successfully marked an invoice as paid in Xero. This not only helps keep your records organized, but also ensures that you have a clear view of your finances at all times. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on managing your finances with